Mix Coca-Cola into soap, and you won't believe the results. For today's tip, we will need a bar of soap in a pot, and we'll grate it on the thickest side of a grater. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to John Hello from Papua New Guinea. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now let's take the pan to the stove. After that, we'll add 350 milliliters of Coca-Cola. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. Then we'll add 500 milliliters of water. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. And we will mix the ingredients very well. The soap is the main item for this tip. After that, we will need half a cup of water. And we add a tablespoon of salt to it, and we mix very well. Do not forget to use a little water for the mixture to work as well as possible. After that, we will insert the mixture into the pan. And we'll keep mixing the ingredients. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This tip will help a lot in your day-to-day. Then we'll transfer the mixture into a container. We'll need the containers to store the hint mix. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. This tip can be used to remove burns and fats that get stuck in the pan after frying. I use this tip whenever I see my pots getting dirtier. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. After that, we will cover the containers and let it rest for 3 hours. After this time, just apply a little of the mixture on a sponge to use it. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. I bet you didn't even know about this method. It is widely used in rural areas. I'm sure this tip will be of great use to your home. Your pots will be very pleased to have made this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.